I'd like to make a quick educational video to show you how you can prevent leaking urine when you sneeze. So with this, I want to give a little explanation of what happens with the muscles in the breath cycles, because we're going to be using this as a tool to help with the sneeze. So think about this. When we take our breath in, the diaphragm is moving down. That makes room for the lungs to fill with our air. And when the diaphragm is moving down, it increases pressure into this canister here. So it sends this signal for the muscles of the abdominals and the pelvic floor to lengthen. So that's a lengthening on the inhale, and then on the exhale, the muscles are shortening. So we have this really nice motion of the pelvic floor muscles and the abdominal muscles with our breath cycle. So it's an inhale and it's an exhale. Now, if you think about any sort of jumping activity, right? It's called plyometrics. So in order to jump high, what we do is we prep our calf muscles, we get our leg muscles ready to jump. So we're lengthening and we're gonna go explode and we're gonna jump. So it's no different than with the pelvic floor when it comes to preparing for a big load, which is going to be that sneeze. So we want to make sure that those muscles lengthen so that they can shorten on that big heavy load demand. So a lot of times what happens when we feel a sneeze coming on, a lot of people might be crossing their legs or holding tight or gripping or really like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna sneeze, oh my gosh, I'm gonna leak. And what we want to be able to do is let that, you can feel a sneeze coming on. So that's like an inhale. So it's, really giving permission to inhale, let that lengthen, abdominal walls, pelvic floor are lengthening, and then on the exhale you can do a lifting of the pelvic floor, or otherwise known as a Kegel, on that lift. But what I find can be really, really helpful is being able to place the pelvis in a better position to withstand that load. So we want to take our breath in on that sneeze. You're kind of prepping for that sneeze. It's like an inhale, right? And then we're going to, and so what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to the side, and you can see instead of like totally curling up in a ball, we want to get the pelvis in a position where I am going to maximize my ability of that pelvic floor to be as effective as possible. So I'm going to do this mini little squat to help with this kind of having the backstop of the pubic bone to really help with that closure at the muscles of the urethra. So from the front, it's like, so I'm lifting my pelvic floor on the so you're lifting up. And what I would suggest is practicing breathing, really connecting to how the muscles are moving, inhale, lengthening, exhale, shortening. And this is an imperceptible movement, but it's moving nonetheless. It's very subtle. It's not a big effort, but it's worthwhile to practice that just in your day-to-day so you really have more of that pattern and rhythm in your system before that big load of the sneeze happens. So give it a try. Let me know how this goes for you. Have fun. Good luck.